Everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the topic helping verbs from the English grammar. Mother, how dash birds fly? Fill up the blank. Answer can. Mother dash cooking. Answer is. Ravi dash gone out. Answer has. Taj Mahal dash built by Shah Jahan. Answer was. Dash you want a sandwich? Answer do. Bread dash made from flour. Answer is. He dash he can't come with us. Answer said. Our team's season dash not begun. Answer has. We use dash to say that it is necessary to do something or that something is the right thing to do. Answer must. I dash see you tomorrow. Answer will. The dash getting ready when she arrived. Answer were. The dash been waiting for more than 3 hours. Answer how. She dash have finished the work by the time you get back. Answer will. Dash you had lunch at? Answer how. Unless you hurry up, we dash miss the bus. Answer will. Seenu dash waiting long when she arrived. Answer hadn't been. She dash thinking very clearly when she had the accident. Answer wasn't. Why dash we go out for dinner tonight? Answer don't. Swapna, Pooja and I dash joining a neighborhood swimming team. Answer are. We dash practiced a great deal. Answer how. The team's coach dash analyzes everyone's strengths and weaknesses. Answer is. Pooja dash in America at this time in the last year. Answer was. Dash verbs are helping verbs. Answer auxiliary. The dash playing tennis. Answer are. Dash they sell television sets. Answer do. You dash brush your teeth after every meal. Answer must. We use dash or dash when we ask for permission to do something. Answer can, may. What time dash he usually gets up? Answer does. What time dash plane leave? Answer does. I dash met him for lunch. Had I know he was coming. Answer would have. I am working right now. Dash I? Answer amn't. The students dash allowed to go off campus during school hours. Answer are not. The coach dash post result on the bulletin board in 2 weeks. Answer will. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar dash the chairman of drafting committee. Answer was. Dash he smoke? Answer does. I dash bought a kilo of grapes. Answer how. You dash see a doctor. Answer should. We dash sitting on the beach this time next week. Answer will be. You wouldn't be interested in a game of chess dash you. Answer would. The dash left by the time. Answer had. I dash make so many mistakes. Answer didn't. I dash thought about joining the team for a couple of months. Answer was. Dash you drop me at the station please? Answer will. Do they dash enjoy wasting time? Answer don't. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.